Welcome to the Barefoot Masters. Want to give your clients an excellent stretch service? Our workshop teaches facilitated stretching with a bit of a Thai influence. Stretching the client with your feet is so much easier than doing it with your hands. And let's face it, your hands need a break. It comes with CEs along with certification. Our classes are small and intimate. We strive to give students a unique experience. You will receive individualized attention from a qualified professional instructor. Whether you have taken Ashiatsu Training or not, there is no need for previous experience and a barefoot technique. This Barefoot Stretch is a 1-hour standalone treatment, or it can be added to your existing Ashiatsu routine. Want to see more like this? Follow us or go to thebarefootmasters.com.